Welcome back again on my YouTube channel LKVJ Classes. I am your friend and mentor. In this video of narration, I am going to teach you how to change direct speech into indirect speech of imperative sentences. Let's start the topic without wasting time. Imperative sentences. The sentence which expresses order, advice, request, command, etc. is called imperative sentence. The subject you always hidden in this sentence. For example, bring me coffee, help the poor, please help me, don't touch electric wires, let's go for a walk. Now question comes in our mind, how can we identify them in reported speech? Identification of imperative sentences according to my view. Number 1. Start with first form. Start with please or kindly. Start with don't or do not. Start with let's or let. Now I will explain you each one type of imperative sentences one by one. So let's move ahead. Number 1. Start with first form of the verb. Said or said to into advised, ordered, suggested, requested, asked, threatened, implored, urged, begged, commanded, etc. according to the sense of the sentence. Imperative mood is changed into infinitive. Use the preposition to, removing the inverted commas, and follow general rules according to the need. For example, the teacher said to the students, work hard to succeed. Now teacher gives advice, about the success. The teacher advised the student, said to change into advised. And to is used to join the sentences. The teacher advised the students to work hard to succeed. The master said to the servant, clean the room again. Master always gives order, The master ordered the servant to clean the room again. The clerk said to the manager, pardon me for my mistake. The clerk is in lower in post and manager in upper in post. So clerk said to change into requested. The clerk requested the manager to pardon him for his mistake. Next example, the teacher said to the students, keep quiet. The teacher asked or ordered the students to keep quiet. The doctor said, walk in the morning. Doctor always gives advice. So, said change into advised. The doctor advised to walk in the morning. The captain said to the soldiers, lay down the gun. Captain gives command or order. So, said to change into commanded. The captain commanded the soldiers to lay down the gun. He said to the servant, leave my house at once. He ordered the servant to leave his house at once. The teacher said to the students, work hard and be regular in your studies. The teacher ordered the students to work hard and be regular in their studies. Call the first witness, said the judge. The judge commanded them to call the first witness. He said, be quiet and listen to his words. He urged them to be quiet and listen to his words. Now second, start with please or kindly. Said or said to into requested. Remove the words like please, kindly, sir or madam. Use the preposition to, to, removing the inverted commas. Follow general rules according to need. For example, I said to the teacher, please explain this question to me. I requested the teacher to explain that question to me. He said to her, please wait here till I return. He requested. Please is given. So said to changed into requested. He requested her to wait. Here change into there, to wait there till he returned. The student said to the director, "Sir, please grant me leave for 2 days." The student requested the director respectfully. Sir is given here, so we have used respectfully. The student requested the director respectfully to grant him leave for 2 days. He said to the teacher, "Sir, kindly help me." He requested the teacher respectfully to help him. Mohan said to me, "Please help me." Said to is given, so said to change into requested. Mohan requested me, and use preposition to join the sentences and remove please word. Mohan requested me to help him. Third, start with don't or do not. Generally, the negative imperative sentence start with don't. First method, don't. Start with don't. We can change this by two methods. So we'll discuss first the first method. First method is said or said to into asked, requested, commanded, advised, ordered, requested, begged, warned, urged, etc. according to the meaning of the sentence. Remove do from don't. Okay. Use preposition to after not. Use negative term not to, removing the inverted commas. The first main verb. Okay. It means first form of the verb is used after the negative term not to. Follow the general rules according to need. For example, the principal said to the students, "Don't play in the garden." Said to is given, so we can change it into asked or ordered. The principal ordered or asked the students not to play in the garden. He said to the students, "Don't make a noise." Now he has given the order, so said to change into ordered. He ordered the students not to make a noise. My mother said to me, "Don't touch electric wires." My mother warned me. Okay, said to change into warned. Not to touch electric wires. Next example, don't go near the fire. Children, said the mother. The mother warned the children not to go near the fire. Second method, said or said to change into forbid. Forbid is a negative word. Remove don't. Okay, completely remove the word don't. Use the preposition to in place of inverted commas. For example, he said to me, "Don't go out." He forbade me. Said to change into forbade. He forbade me to go out. Remove the word don't to, because we have used forbade here and it gives negative meaning. The principal said to the students, "Don't play in the garden." The principal forbade the students to play in the garden. The teacher said to the children, "Don't make a noise in the class." The teacher forbade the children to make a noise in the class. Next example, don't spit in the classroom. He said to the children. He forbade the children to spit in the classroom. Now you have to remember this note. The negative term not to is not used after the negative word forbid. Okay? Because the negative word forbid itself has a negative meaning. If a prohibition expressing imperative sentences is used in reported speech, it is changed into indirect speech as the following ways. He said to his servant, "Stop working." He prohibited, or we can say he prevented his servant from working. Note, you have to note this structure. Prohibited or prevented plus object plus from plus first form plus ing is used for changing direct speech into indirect speech. He said to him, "Don't sit idle." He prevented or prohibited him from sitting idle. You can also say, he forbade him to sit idle. You also can say, he asked him not to sit idle. My father said to the children, "Don't go near the fire." My father prevented or prohibited the children from going near the fire. Other way, my father asked the children not to go near the fire. In other way, we can say, my father forbade the children to go near the fire. Remember this. If an imperative sentence start with the verb do and the verb do is used before the main verb. Do is used before the main verb. Do is used to emphasize the main verb. The verb do is not used in the indirect speech. For example, he said to me, "Do you read the Ramayana?" He asked me to read the Ramayana. We have removed the word do because this is used to emphasize the main verb read. Radha said to me, "Do have a cup of tea." Radha requested me to have a cup of tea. If the verb do is used as the main verb in the reported speech, the verb do is not removed from the indirect speech. For example, Radha said to me, "Do this work at once." Radha asked me to do that work at once. Because do in the reported speech is as a main verb. The teacher said to the girls, "Do whatever you like." The teacher advised the girls to do whatever they like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates.